Hi students, how are you? Hope you are keeping fine. Welcome to this new video. In this video we are going to learn the fourth lesson, the Inuit. We already skipped the third lesson because it is a drama. I will teach you later, okay? Don't worry. Now let's learn the fourth lesson, Inuits. What are Inuits? Do you know? Inuits means the people of Greenland are known as Inuits. Okay, earlier they were known as Eskimos. But nowadays they are known as Inuits. Okay, where they are living? They are living in the Greenland. It is an island. Okay. See in this image, what did you see? Yes, you are seeing some houses, but they were covered with snow, isn't it? Here also you can see houses, and on the opposite side we can see snow and ice. Why it is covered with snow, students? Because it is Greenland. It is in North Pole. In North Pole it is cold. This is the dressing of Inuits. How colorful they are. See the map of Greenland. It is the largest island in the world. Greenland is the largest island in the world. Do you know in which continent they are? Greenland situated in which continent? Yes, it is situated in the North America. See the position of Greenland in our map. Got it? Can you tell me which animal is this? This is a reindeer. What is it drawing? It is drawing a sledge. That vehicle, that cart is known as sledge. Okay, this is the vehicle which is used in Greenland and cold areas, which is covered with snow. What is this? This is North Pole. This is the traditional dress of Eskimos. See their footwear also. They are wearing shoes that is made out of the skin of seal. Okay, seal is a water animal which will be living in cold areas. They are wearing woolen clothes. This will protect them from severe cold. Okay. What is this? Do you know? Yes, it is an igloo, the house of Greenland, the house of cold region. Okay, igloo. Okay, they will keep a small opening to igloo. Okay, through the hole they can go inside of the house, and they will live inside. They will get hot. Igloo. This is a reindeer which is drawing a cart. This is the hunting of Eskimos. Hunting is their main occupation. By hunting these sea animals and polar bear, they will have their food from this. This is a fish they are hunting. See the hunting of Eskimos. They are very brilliant and smart in hunting. Greenland, which is the official language of Greenland? Greenlandic. What is their language? Greenlandic is the official language. Okay. English also possibly be understood or spoken only to a very limited degree. Okay. That means only few of them they will be able to understand and speak English also. Greenland is one of the coldest countries in the world, since almost the whole year the temperature are below 0 degree. The temperature is below 0 degrees Celsius. Greenland is surrounded by seas. that are either permanently frozen or chilled by cold current. Why it is not a continent? Why Greenland is not a continent? It is an island. Okay, Greenland is considered to be a part of North American continent. This is because it lies in North America. Actually, it lies in North America. But the country is politically a part of Denmark. It is politically a part of Denmark, which is a part of Europe. Denmark is a part of Europe. The government is from Denmark, is ruling this island. Greenland is the world's largest island. It is a Danish dependent territory. Although Greenland is geographically a part of North American continent, it has been politically and culturally associated with Europe for about a millennium. Okay. So let's go to the lesson. Are you ready? See these images properly. Now tell me, what is the what is the shelter of igloos? What is the shelter of Inuits known as? They are known as igloos. Who are Inuits? Inuits are the people who are living in Greenland. Okay. Now let's go to the lesson. The Inuits. Identify who these people are. Name them by choosing the words from the box. Can you name the first one? Are they Chinese, Africans or Americans? We can understand they are Africans. They are Africans. First picture, they are Africans. And second picture, from which country they are? They are from America. And the third one, they are Chinese. Okay, understood? The first picture, they are from Africa, and the second picture, they are from America, and third picture, they are from China. Their color and shape, these all help us to understand from which country they belong to. Okay, now let's read the lesson. When we look around us, we see houses made of bricks and cement, roads, trees, cars, bikes, etc. Now imagine you are in the polar region. You cannot see any of these because there is only snow and ice. Greenland is one such place. Okay, in Greenland we can see only snow and ice. We cannot see any tree, car, bike, etc. Okay. Next paragraph. Greenland is a frozen desert. It is a frozen desert. And it is the largest island in the world. Underline that sentence. Greenland is a frozen desert and it is the largest island in the world. It is very close to North Pole. Which pole? North Pole. Underline North Pole. Most part of Greenland remains covered with ice. It is extremely cold for 4 months of the year. Okay, for yearly 4 months they are experiencing extremely cold. This region is dark all the time. The Inuit are the native people of Greenland. So tell me, what are Inuits? Inuits are the native people of Greenland. Underline that sentence. Who are Inuits? Inuits are the native people of Greenland. The people of Greenland are known as Inuits. Previously, they were called Eskimos. Eskimos means eaters of raw meat. So, what is the meaning of Eskimos? Eskimos means eaters of raw meat. Without cooking meat they were eating, so they were known as Eskimos. So people do not like to be called Eskimos. The meaning is eaters of raw meat, no. So nowadays they don't like to call as Eskimos. Okay, in place of Eskimos, now they are known as Inuits. They prefer to call themselves as Inuits. They prefer to call themselves as Inuits. Nowadays we are not calling them as Eskimos, as they were not liking them, that name. Okay, so nowadays they were known as Inuits. What is the meaning of Eskimo? Eskimo means eaters of raw meat. Okay, the rest of the lesson we can study in the next video. Okay, thank you.